Hello everybody and thanks for checking out my review of the Casio G-Shock. This is the GW-M5610U-1ER. So the U stands for the update or upgrade. This is the updated version of the module number 3159. This model is 3495. This came out this year. We'll be going over the differences that are found in this newer upgraded module. Okay, so let's open the box. And the E stands for the European version. So first of all, you have the warranty card, which gives you all the service centers around the world. The instructions with the upgraded module. This is the 3495, as I said. And then these are the instructions. Okay, let's see the box. So it comes in a tin box. So it comes in a hexagonal box. It's well protected. Not that it needs to be, because it's a G-Shock, of course. Okay, so to give you a walkthrough of the watch, it's 200-meter water resistant, shock resistant, of course, solar powered. You have atomic timekeeping, and that automatically keeps the time. On the world time, you have 48 cities, that is 31 time zones. You have an hourly time signal if you choose to turn that on. 1/100th of a second stopwatch. You have a 24-hour countdown timer where you can actually change it on the seconds. You have 5 daily alarms, including the hourly time signal. You also have an LED light. Here are a list of the upgraded features of this U series. The LED, you have a full LED backlight versus the EL backlight, which stands for electroluminescence backlight, that was in the previous module. And now this upgraded module is better because LED backlight versus the EL backlight gives you longer run on the LED. You can adjust it from 1.5 or 3 seconds, the afterglow, versus 1.5 seconds that was not adjustable in the module 3159. Okay, so this is the light function. It shows you an L and a T there. So press once, you get the light. If you want to turn this auto light feature on and off, you just press and hold. Now it disappeared. If you want to turn it back on, just press and hold again. Okay. As I said, you can switch from 1.5 seconds to 3 seconds, the afterglow. So how you do that, you just press on the adjust button and hold it. Then you go through the modes. Daylight saving time, seconds, hours, minutes, the year. So the light, you can change it from 1 second to 3 seconds afterglow. One other thing is that there is a current time display in stopwatch and countdown timer mode. So when you go through the modes, this is the world time. And if we go to the stopwatch and the countdown timer, this is the stopwatch. You can see that up in the right hand corner, you see your current time, which was not available in the previous model. Also, the timer shows you the current clock. If you want to go home, you don't have to go through all the modes. You just have to press and hold. And it takes you straight to the home screen. You want to go straight home, just press and hold. You have a 24-hour countdown timer that is settable also in units of seconds and not only hours and minutes. So in the timer, you can also set the seconds. Press and hold. You can change the hours, the minutes, and now in this module you can also set the seconds. The date format, you can change it from month and day to day and month, which is Very useful because only the US, I think, uses month and then day. You can change the order of day and month from month to day. You couldn't on the previous module. The home city and the world time display, you can swap them in the world time mode. So this is the second menu. And this is the UTC time, and that's your home time. If you want to swap them, you just hold down on these two upper buttons. See, you keep changing them. You have 5 world time settings. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 that you can choose from 48 cities, that is 31 time zones. There are 2 additional time zones for the cities of Fernando de Noronha and Kathmandu. Other features of the watch that were on the previous version is of course the top solar, multiband 6 automatic radio time syncing, full auto calendar, 1/100th of a second stopwatch, and all the good things that were in the previous model. Okay, so I'll give you a wrist shot. So I have a medium-sized wrist. It's a 7-inch wrist, and it fits just fine. It's not too small, not too big. Fits me really well, and with the soft rubber, it's a very comfortable watch to wear. Also, you can change the language of the weekdays. There are 5 different languages, I think. English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, and Russian. You can go English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, and back to English. And this is it. Okay, well, okay. Bye.